Hey, what's up, what's up? This is your boy, 10 Food Therapy. I'm back with another video and my girl.
Hi.
Michaela, we are back. Say something, girl.
We're back.
I don't know why she act like she's scared. She just talking a whole bunch of stuff.
Hi, y'all. I'm back.
And guess what we got?
Sushi.
We got some sushi. I have eaten sushi before, but I'm just not a sushi fan. She been eating it.
My mama put me on. But I got a crunch roll, a crunchy crab roll, and an OEC roll.
And I don't know what I got. But I got some rice, plain rice.
What?
This is a bit plain rice. Oh.
This is our first time opening it. I thought this was gonna have some sauce on it, but I guess they don't season shit.
No sauce?
Like this one. I wanted this to have like the drizzle. This
mine looks pretty okay.
The crunch roll should have been spicy.
I'm not sure what I got. What this mine looks like.
But this is it. This is the crunchy roll and the, I don't know the other one. But it looks good. Well, I'll taste it and all that.
I want to see.
Ooh, look at the presentation
that
on this. This is why this was $6.
It looks really good.
Look at this, y'all. This gotta be the $6 one.
Yeah.
I mean, $7. It's OEC roll. This shit better be good. OEC.
Pretty good.
But look at that. It's beautiful.
You want to take a picture and then we can do whatever with our food? And put your other sushi right there.
I'm gonna just do it like this.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Put this down or something. So, now I put this. Hold on. I'm going to edit this out. I just want to get the sushi at the front. Look, I'm going to take this out. Hold on. I can edit that out. Alright, we got the picture.
We're gonna
so we are finna eat.
I wanna try. I don't know if I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try this ugly looking one first. So if the rest tastes good, I'm not disappointed. This one's the crunch roll.
I'm not sure which one I'm eating.
Looks like this.
Oh, shit.
Looks like this. I don't know what's on the inside.
Gotta have the soy sauce.
That's actually not bad.
It's not?
Mm-mm.
It's good.
It needs some sauce on it though.
Not too much soy sauce though.
I'll just put some soy sauce on that.
Let me try mine for the first time.
I hope I don't break out. I'm actually allergic to sushi. Well, I'm allergic to shellfish. But I still eat it anyway. I just get a rash. The middle is good.
I have to put soy sauce on this because it may need some.
I'm gonna start eating sushi for the rest of my life so I can be a skinny bitch. Oh, I didn't mean to say that.
Yeah, she said it.
I feel like I would lose weight doing that. I'm about to eat sushi every day, y'all. Sushi diet. Is that?
Why?
I don't know if you can even do that. So I can be
I'm talking about myself.
thick.
But you want to be skinny. I enjoy being fat.
Okay. I'm gonna try the spicy something roll.
How do you use chopsticks? Let's see. Friend, is that good? What's the
Mama, thank you. Thank you for putting me on sushi.
Your mom likes sushi.
We were just eating California rolls and like spicy. But it's so much cheaper here. I gotta just find a Japanese restaurant at home. Stop buying it from Publix and Kroger. We need a Publix here, Lucky. I forgot what I was about to do. I want to try that one, but I was going to do something. I'll figure out what kind that was. Oh, the crunchy crab roll. Okay. That was good.
Yeah, we didn't pay that much on this.
Time to try this. Well, this was $17. That was kind of a lot.
Yeah, you paid off of yours.
But I wanted to try some fancier sushis. But it'd be like $3, $4 for like 6 or 8 rolls. And like I paid that much back at home for just a roll.
Yeah.
Okay. This one looks interesting. I'm kind of scared of this. I don't know how I feel about it yet.
Ooh. I need to be trying to go to a court date.
Mm.
Have a court attendance paper due.
Court attendance date? What'd you do?
For my class. But I do have a ticket. I don't like to taste that.
The sushi?
Right there.
Oh, I hit that part. The pink little part. What was that?
Is that green stuff?
Why you eat that?
You supposed to eat that?
I don't need it. I think it's just there for decorations. That's supposed to be hot, ain't it? Isn't it hot? Like spicy?
I don't know what the hell it is.
You just trying shit. Don't even know what it is.
Never again. What is in my plate?
That's just decorations, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna put this lettuce on this bitch. I feel like that would be good. I'm cussing it out. You have to bleep this out.
No.
Huh? I need a job.
You know we recording. Yeah. Why are you cussing? You know we recording.
Because it's just the flow of how I am right now. Semester's almost over, y'all. I'll make it.
And I'm about to piss one of my teachers out.
I still have not seen my grade in 3 of my classes. 3. I don't know what I'm making in 3 of my classes. Shame. These teachers just be on their own time. That was good. You did good, Tim.
Yeah. That's really good.
I'm about to put this lettuce on this piece. Make it like a sandwich.
Wow. This sushi is not bad. It's really good. And I'm not sure what was in that one. But shit, it was good as hell.
I hope I don't break out from eating all this. But it's so good. Putting lettuce on this is good too. What was in this?
I'll try one of these. Oh, this is the one with crab in it.
You tried that one? That's my favorite. That's good.
Really good.
I'm satisfied. See, with sushi, I don't even have to eat that much. Like, I'm full already. I only ate 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. It's so fulfilling. I think it's the rice.
And you bought a lot of them.
Yeah. I know. I'm going to eat it over the next few days.
Yeah.
Eat it for lunch. Then eat it for dinner. Snack, too. Sushi's good. Okay. One day I'm going to get sick. I'm the Madison. Not that. I really like that one. So disappointed.
I'm guessing this is the country crab roll.
I'm disappointed in this one.
What was that?
Control. I thought it was going to have more stuff on it. I need this sauce on this. I'm tired now. That was a lot.
This country crab roll.
How are you eating with toothpicks? I can't even do that.
I don't know how to eat it with them either, but I'm just going to act like I do.
That fried rice does look good.
Want some?
Yes, I do. I want to try some.
Here, plate.
You have to put it in Damn, you would make it touch. I don't like my food.
Bitch. I'm getting picky.
It's true though. Not everything's supposed to touch everything.
No matter what.
That's a bit better on this rice.
Water my way, Lord Jesus.
Where'd that package go? They definitely need some soy sauce. Fuck no.
So do y'all try to use chopsticks to act like you somebody that you're not? I do. I'm fake.
You're not fake. I don't think you are.
No.
I doubt it. After as long as we've been friends. And I've not had one issue with you. Ever.
If any bitch have issue with me, hey, that issue they say.
Thanks.
Now I can't even fucking.
I don't even do nothing to nobody.
I don't do nothing about it.
There's people outside. Yeah, that rice wasn't that great.
Why she talking about my rice?
It was not right. It was hard. And not enough. Teriyaki? Is it teriyaki that they put on the thing? I don't know. Whatever sauce they use.
I have a big mess.
I'm definitely probably gonna need a Benadryl.
I got you.
Thank you. I should be like extra sauce every time now.
I'm enjoying this rice. She don't like it, but I'm enjoying it.
I think I'm done eating for the day. That was enough.
Really?
I'm full. Full.
I have an intern.
I have. Wait. Yeah, I had sushi before I came over here. That's what I ate. That was my leftovers that I ate. I stopped eating so much rice.
Yeah.
I feel like it's carbs. It is carbs though. I ate a lot. Tell me if I ate enough food, y'all. I ate 2 of these. That's the OEC roll. That's pretty good. I got still got the crunch roll, this nasty thing. It should have had this orange and brown stuff on it. If it had that, it would have been really good. And then this one was amazing. That's why I'm saving it.
Spicy crab roll. Or country crab roll.
So good.
That's what I'm eating now. It's so good.
And I'm actually allergic to shellfish, but I only break out. And that's if I consume a lot of it. And I don't think I'm consuming a lot of it. I'm gonna just take a Benadryl anyway.
No matter how far.
I feel like I'm just like looking at the camera like, what's up?
What's up? I mean, I'm pretty boring today, but
Yeah, we're pretty boring today. I've been applying for jobs.
I'm tired.
Catch me in your city because I don't know where I'm gonna be yet, but I'm gonna be somewhere. Not in Mississippi. Might be in Alabama. I don't mind staying at home now. There's a bunch of jobs there.
Yeah.
I mean, bank. And then I would apply for some in some various places. So it'd be exciting if I get to go to like one of the interesting places I've never been. Like I applied for one in New Hampshire. Like imagine living in New Hampshire. I don't even know what it's gonna be like. It's gonna be hot still. Is it gonna be cold still by the time we leave? And then I go to Alabama. I still gotta get accepted there though.
You will.
I think I will. It's the only place I'm applying, so I hope I do.
I'm sure she will. You're smart.
I'm not that smart. I take the GRE this week.
I actually just want to go to sleep after this.
I know, you about to kick me out.
Blake want me to go walking.
Walking?
Yeah.
I got work to do. I gotta take, if you gonna take a nap, I'm gonna take a nap. In my bed.
I really want to take a nap.
Maybe sushi makes you sleepy.
Hmm?
No, it wasn't the sushi that made us sleepy. But I'm definitely, if you going to sleep, I'm going to sleep. And then I'm going to go to my meeting that I have later. And then I'm going to go probably back to bed. I'll probably do some work, apply for some more jobs, you know. Get my career set up, you know. All that stuff. It's kind of annoying. I'm tired of applying for school, y'all.
Same.
School's a lot. Being a senior taking 18 hours.
I ain't been applying. What I'm saying.
Being a senior taking 18 hours. On top of that, working. And on top of that, being involved on campus. And on top of that, trying to apply for grad school and internships.
Sound like a lot.
Stress.
Sounds like a lot.
It's whatever, though. Gotta do what you gotta do.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Make that bank later.
That is true.
Yeah.
But like I always tell you, I appreciate you for watching. Follow my girl
We didn't
Michaela.
even pray today.
Yeah, we forgot to pray, but I think the Lord know I was, you know,
We didn't pray.
we was hungry. We was hungry. Okay,
Yeah.
go ahead, pray. All right, just shut up. Y'all, thank y'all for watching. Like I always tell you, tell your mama, your sister, your mama, your mama's sister, auntie, anybody to watch my post or my next channel. You got any last words? Or maybe she want to pray?
Why I gotta do the exit prayer? Can I just be like, Lord, thank you for
I don't
food.
care what you say. I'm sure
Dear
the Lord
Lord.
understands.
Okay. Dear Lord, we just want to thank you for our food. We forgot to earlier. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen. That was beautiful. I love a simple, short prayer. Nothing like it. But thank you. Watch my next post.